This lesson is on P2c. Here we have an example. Find an equation of the line passes through the point 2, 5 and parallel to the given line. Okay, so we need a line that go through this point and this equation, but it has to be parallel. Okay, so first thing we need to do is rearrange the given equation. So this is the given equation. You need to rearrange. Okay, so first thing is bring all the letter to the other side except y. Y, keep it on the left side. Okay, so bring x over, so that'll be minus x. Now we need y to be by itself, and it has to be positive, not negative. It has to be positive. So just divide by -1 to every one of them. So become positive y, positive x plus 2. Or you can actually multiply the negative, which still come out the same answer. Okay, so multiply by the negative. So distribute, which is positive y, distribute gives me positive x, distribute gives me positive 2. So you can actually divide by -1 or multiply by -1. The answer are exactly the same. Okay, now if you look at here, we need to identify our slope. Our slope is always in front of the x, but be very careful. Y has to be by itself. One more time. The only way to know slope is y has to be by itself. So y equal mx plus b. One more time. Y equal mx plus b. Okay, so y has to be positive and by itself. Okay, so the slope is always in front. Slope is always in front. So that gives me 1. Now, a lot of us have trouble with this. If I don't see a number, I will say 0. That is wrong. One more time. If I don't see a number, do not say 0. There's always a 1. 1 is always there and it is invisible. Okay? So one more time. If you don't see a number here, it is always 1. Okay? Never ever say 0. Okay? Now, the definition of parallel. Parallel means same slope. It literally means same slope. So you will reuse this slope again. One more time. Parallel mean same slope. Same slope mean you will use the slope that was given to you earlier, which you have found out. You use it again. One more time. Parallel mean same slope. So you will use this right here, m equal 1 again. Okay, so using the formula of point slope form. Okay, and here's my point, which I have up here. So that is x1, this is y1. Now all you have to do is just plug them in. Okay, so y1 is 5. My slope again is 1. Okay, again, parallel, same slope. That means you will use it again. Okay, and then x1 will be 2. Okay, and be very careful how to plug it in. All right, now distribute, so that gives me 1x. Distribute gives me -2, and then plus 5 over will gives me +3. So this equation, y equal x plus 3, is parallel to this equation and go through this point. Okay, using this point. Okay, so one more time. This equation right here, this equation is parallel to this equation using this point. Okay, and that is the homework for this section.